What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. We are officially back. I have moved to a new shop and my own place. We opened up a garden center, which has taken up a lot of my time. But nonetheless, we're back. This is the new shop. It's my garage, my personal garage now, which is super awesome to say. It's much smaller. But it's super nice to be able to go inside when I'm tired and get a shower, or if I'm hungry, I can go right to my kitchen and it's all right there. I can go in, sleep, wake up, and come back out here and really keep working on this thing. It's still a bit of a mess right now and I really don't have a good excuse for it. But turret's getting built. Last time you guys saw, I don't remember, but...
Flashback. End of flashback.
So what is next on this thing? Well, I have built the bed. I had a frame on. I built a square frame out of it, and then the bed is on somewhat. It's just sitting on here right now, but I've got the floor of it at least in. It's not really welded in or anything. It's cut, set in. I'll have to cut more here and stuff to fit these better. So what is next on the bed? Well, we have to finish the paneling. I also need to cut some more 1" by 1" square tubing to put near the front that sits in between the tailgate of the cab and the front of the bed. I was looking for the tape measure. It was right here the whole time. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna measure for the section that's right here. We need to measure the height of this because we need to make more of these to put in here. Now, I don't exactly know how many I want to put in here, but we'll figure it out. Let's get our measurements first, and we'll go from there. Looks like we're gonna have a measurement of 14.5 inches, 5/8. So, okay, that's gonna work there. So I'm thinking 3 of them for now. Yes, 3 sounds good. So it looks like all of them are gonna be 14 5/8. And the reason I say that is because when you're welding stuff, I've learned the hard way that metal likes to warp. That is one of the things that I learned the tough way learning how to weld in the beginning. That back panel was the lesson. It worked, but we fixed it. I think it still has a little bit of it, but we know what to look for, we know how to mitigate it, but that's how we learn. Safety first. Now that we've got our line, let's go ahead and cut it. So, always remember that after you cut something, it's more than likely hot. Now that we got that, let's go ahead and measure it up and see if it actually fits. And there we go, perfect. Now we will have to do a little bit of trimming here on the floor pan of the bed. Floor pan, I don't know what you want to call it. But actually I think but hey, that looks pretty good. Now let's cut 2 more. Put the guys here. Perfect. Let's take a step back here. Ah, yes, I like that much better. Now the one on the left there, it's a little crooked, but as far as placement goes, I like it. Love it, and I don't want more of it because jumping up and down this thing, I'm definitely getting my workout. Using a speed square is because I have this 90-degree clamp right here. Now it would be smart for me to probably use both. Just to have a second thing to compare it to would not be a bad idea. That looks pretty good. Make sure it's all right. Give it a good tack on that side. If you wonder why I'm not wearing gloves, I probably should. You should always wear gloves when you are, I'm not gonna talk safety when I'm not even gonna do it.
Shame! Shame!
So, all right, let's see if this fits. Right there, up a little bit. Let's see, I like that. That came out pretty good. Still a bit short. So let's go ahead and cut the piece for this back right here. And the third and final piece of this puzzle is finally cut. Let's see how it fits. All right, off camera there, I took one of these. What I made was a spreader bar. Now, normally these things, this end here, and there, goes like this. What I did is I sanded down the little stop part of it so that way I could slide it off and then reconfigure it into a spreader bar. This right here actually is leaning a little bit to the driver's side, and it needs to come back toward the, I think actually, because that shuts. Maybe. Oh, no. This piece that was. Aha, see, we caught that. We would have had an issue with the tailgate closing because it works fine now. All right, well, I like where that is. Cool. We're just gonna make sure that the tailgate still shuts. Cool. Okay, I like that a lot better. We'll just go with that for now. All right, now that we have everything in place, let's go ahead and tack it together. Make sure nothing's on fire, and we look like we're good. Yep, we're good. That completes it for today's video. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That helps immensely. Like the video, share it, get the word out. That way you can keep watching more awesome videos like this. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.